Alright, so because these are Android systems, so for the navigation we have to download Google Maps in the offline mode on these units. So the first step is you come to settings, you click on networks, you connect to your Wi-Fi network available. This is connected to my phone at the moment by using a hotspot on the phone. So you come back, you come here, you go into Play Store. Now if you don't have a Play Store account, it's very easy. You simply create a Google account and you can link it with your Play Store. Same way I have done it. I have just logged into my Play Store account. So now I will do a search on Google Maps. So Google Maps, there we go. And we're gonna download the first one, Google Maps Navigate and Explore. Click on it, it's gonna come. Click on install. It is about 25 MB. It is gonna install, obviously depending on your network speed. So it is doing good, kind of. Okay, it's almost done. It's almost at 99 now. Now it's installing. Just like an Android pad, you can see some things which are downloading and what's actually is happening here. So it is now installing. Wait for installation to finish. Okay, so installation is done. I'll just open the maps up. Okay, now initially maps are going to use your data, so if you try to search for the location and everything, you can see it's working. Allow maps to access this device location. Yes, allow. Traffic. Okay, for the best results, turn on device location which uses Google location services. Yep, that's will be okay. Turn on location history, that's up to you. I will click on no thanks. But obviously if it is your main account that you travel around with on your phone and you want to check, okay. Alright, and so now Google Maps are loaded. Alright, so to do the offload, you click on here. Now as you can see, my account is logged in. You just scroll it down, it says offline maps. Click here. This is how Google is going to tell you that what you have to do. So basically, depending on your location, wherever you are, you just zoom in, zoom out, and see. If you are in Melbourne, you can see that for about 200 MB the area covered is quite huge. It will be from, depending on how you want it, but just as a reference, far away from Warrnambool all the way to maybe lake entrance and past that, National Park, Alpine Ranges, Ballarat and everything. This is all going to be one map. I can simply click on download and it's going to download. It also tells you that maps will update automatically, and now you can see it has started to download the maps. Now map download is depending on your internet connection, and show you some other features of the unit. Now radio we have already seen. Music, now if your music is on,